You're standing on some dune sand in the middle of nowhere, fully bruised, physically destroyed, mentally feeling that what am I doing here?
Olympic family, elite fencer, Israeli special forces, Vipassana practitioner. There's more to him. Economy of behavior. And I know that when you say this, you're referring to people's mental energy.
Seasons of life keep on changing. I don't want to be in a situation that I cannot adapt, I cannot tolerate, I cannot perform, I cannot live life without dreaming. But for me, I'm not looking for the top of the mountain. I will be happy to climb many mountains, but I don't care if I reach to the top of the mountain.
The experience in the forces trained you for having uncertainty be the norm.
I will take it one step forward, and it became my addiction. I went to Africa for 9 months to lose myself one more time so I can find something new.
My guest today has burnt his identity down several times on purpose.